Hey, Dan Passarelli here. I have probably had to explain what an option is 1,000 times in my life. Probably a good 200 just in random situations, like talking to a friend or something like that. And I think it's important for everybody to be able to explain what an option is just to help the people around us understand what it is we're doing. And so I want to give a super easy explanation, basically how to explain options to a 13-year-old. Okay, so talking to your favorite 13-year-old, you say, okay, imagine there's this pizza place that you really like. And they say, hey, you know what? We might be raising our prices throughout this year. We're not sure, but since you're such a good customer and you always order that pepperoni pizza that you love, we're going to give you this certificate that says you get to buy this large pizza that you always order. You get to buy that at $13, no matter what happens to the price of our pizza. And you get to keep that coupon. It doesn't expire until the end of the year. All right. So basically, that is a pizza option right there, right? Isn't it basically the same thing? It's exactly the same thing. You now own this right to buy pizza, which happens to be at its current price of $13 for a large pizza. You have that right. It doesn't expire until the end of the year. And no matter what happens to the price of that pizza, if they raise their prices to $14 or $15 or to $20, you still have the right to buy it at $13. You don't have to. If they end up lowering their prices to $10, you can just buy it at $10. And what if it does go up to $20? Well, you could actually probably sell that certificate to somebody else because they would pay for it because they get to buy it at $13 when if they go straight to the pizza place, they have to pay $20 for it. So that is an option. That is a very simple explanation that I think anybody can understand. And next time you find yourself in that scenario, try that one on for size. This is Dan Passarelli. Hope that helps Trade Smart.